One, 2, 3, 4.
1, 2, 3, 4. You guys have to pass it. Let me go pee. Oh my god.
Your friends, my friends, your friends, my friends, my friends, your friends, your friends, my friends, your friends, my friends, your friends, your friends, my friends, your friends.
Yeah. Sometimes Jacob and Sam are sleeping like right over there. And it's like 2:30 in the morning. We're not even supposed to be here tonight. You're such a dick, Alex. You just don't give a shit, do you?
I'm just kidding, relax.
You trashed the house the last time you were here.
Me?
Yeah, you.
I don't think I did.
Your eyes are so bloodshot. I see your eyes are bleeding.
Sammy boy. Hey guys.
What happened? I left when I came back and
I'm
everything
Sam,
was really awkward.
and I'm an alcoholic.
I'm Michelle, and I'm an alcoholic.
I'm Alex, and I didn't drink today.
I'm Sam. I smoked weed tonight.
Rochelle, and I did not smoke weed tonight.
Fuck you.
I'm Alex, and I just dropped my keys and I'm so high. I gave a whole shit my hands.